everyone! Ever updated your Windows 11 only to find it suddenly says it's deactivated? It's a frustrating problem, but don't worry, you're not alone, and we can fix it. Today, we're going to walk through some easy steps to get your Windows activated again after an update glitch. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is working perfectly. Windows needs to connect to Microsoft's activation servers, and sometimes a temporary network issue is all it takes for activation to fail, so ensure you're online and try activating again. Next, Windows 11 has a built-in tool for this, so go to Settings, then System, and click on Activation. You should see an option to troubleshoot. Click that, as the troubleshooter will scan for common problems and often fix them automatically, which is usually the quickest solution for many users. If the troubleshooter doesn't work, you might need to re-enter your product key. In the same activation settings, look for Change Product Key, and if you have your product key handy, type it in again, remembering that if your Windows came pre-installed, the key might be linked to your Microsoft account or embedded in your hardware. Many modern Windows licenses are digital licenses linked to your Microsoft account, so ensure you are signed into Windows with the same Microsoft account that your digital license is linked to, as sometimes after an update, Windows might sign you out or switch to a local account, so sign back into your correct Microsoft account and check activation again. Also, consider if you've recently changed any major hardware, like your motherboard, as significant hardware changes can sometimes deactivate Windows, especially with a retail license. If this is the case, the troubleshooter should give you an option to reactivate after a hardware change, so follow the on-screen prompts. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Microsoft directly. You can find their support contact information on their official website, and explain your situation clearly, as they have tools to verify your license and can often reactivate your Windows remotely or guide you through a more specific fix, so be ready with any product keys or Microsoft account details. Occasionally, Microsoft's activation servers might be experiencing temporary issues. This is rare, but it can happen, so if you've tried everything and nothing works, wait a few hours or even a day and try the activation steps again, as patience can sometimes be a virtue here. As a very last resort, if all else fails and you're confident your license is valid, a clean reinstall of Windows 11 might resolve deep-seated activation issues, but make sure to back up all your data first, and during the installation, you'll have the option to enter your product key or skip it if you have a digital license. Hopefully, one of these solutions helps you reactivate your Windows 11 and get back to work without that annoying watermark. It's a common issue, and usually, it's an easy fix. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your experience, and consider sharing it with anyone else who might be facing this problem. Your support helps us create more helpful content like this. See you next time.